In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport appointment on the United States Postal Service website. This video will be extremely helpful if you have just completed Form DS-11 and you're ready to take the next step. As you know, after completing Form DS-11, the next step is to make an appointment at a passport acceptance facility or agency so that they can review your application before it's sent off to the U.S. Department of State. Because we want YouTube to push this video out to as many people as possible, do me a favor and give it a like down below. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So once you have made your way over to Google, you are going to type in passport appointment into the Google search and click enter. Then you're going to look for the link that is associated with the USPS or United States Postal Service, and you're going to click on that link. Then it's going to take you over to this page, which is the United States Postal Service official website. And under step 1, you're going to choose your service. So they have 4 different services that you can choose from. If you are looking for the passport appointment only, a passport appointment with photo service where they're going to take a photo for you, photo service by itself, or if you are renewing your passport. In this example, we're going to pretend as if this is our first time applying for a passport. So we just need the passport service only. And there's 1 adult. If we had any minors that were under age 16, we would indicate that number here. Then for step 2, we're going to search for appointments either by location or by date. Location is generally the easiest. You can put in your city and state or your zip code. I'm going to put in a zip code and I'm going to change the radius to 15 miles, but you can do whatever you prefer. And you can indicate if you'd like for the passport photo locations to also come up in your search. You're going to click search. It's going to search all of the nearby locations based off of the information that you just put in. And then it's going to give you a list of locations that do what you're looking for, which is can give you a passport appointment as well as take photos. And you notice that some of them will also list if they accept passport walk-ins as well as their hours and if street parking is available. We're going to click select for this location, which is the closest one to us. And then we're going to indicate the date that we'd like to go in. So gives you here a little key. Gray means no appointments available. So March is booked up. Dates that are in white means that you can search for appointments. Dates that are in a bluish color means that you have selected that date. And like a lighter blue color means that that schedule is not open yet for that day. So we're going to click the first available date, which is April 3rd, and click select date. And then what we're going to see is a list of times that are available at that specific location for the date of April 3rd, 2024. So we see nothing until we get down to this little area here where we have some appointments from 1:15 through 2 o'clock. So let's go with 1:30. And we're going to click on that appointment. And then we're going to need to put in our name. So we're going to use the name that we used in our example before. You are going to need to put in a phone number and email address. Please make sure that you put in the correct information because in order to make your appointment, they will send you a code to verify you're an actual person and I guess not a bot. So I am just going to put in a random number. But for the email address, I am going to put in my actual email address so that I can continue with this example. You can also select if you'd like for them to text you updates on your appointment, and then you can choose how you'd like to verify verify that you're an actual person. So I'm going to click on email verification and then select that I have read and understand and agreed to the terms and conditions. You can definitely read those if you'd like by clicking the hyperlink. And then you're going to come down and click on send verification code. You'll have about 3 minutes to get the code and enter that here. So let's pause here while I get the code and then we'll come back. So once you have the code, you'll input it and then click submit. And then it's going to give you this message that says you're almost done. You need to review the information before we can confirm your appointment. And here's all the information that I've put in. tells you off the bat that you are going to have to pay your passport acceptance fee or execution fee, which I mentioned before, of $35. That is the fee that you will pay directly to the passport acceptance facility. If you have any questions or are a little unclear about this, or you just stumbled upon this video, I'm going to link some of the other videos where I talk a little bit more about this in detail to explain exactly what I mean. But this fee is paid directly to the passport acceptance facility. If everything looks good to you, you're just going to click confirm details. It's going to process, and then you are going to see the screen show you that your appointment has been confirmed. It gives you a confirmation number, and that's it. That is how you make your appointment on the US Postal Service website for a passport. Thanks so much for making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a like down below so that YouTube will push it out to anyone else searching for great content like this, and leave any questions that you may have, and I'll do my best to answer as many of them as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!